asked them, do you love each other? They instantly said, oh yeah. Almost like, why would you ask that question? And it's the greatest response that I can say you can have is when they go, oh yeah.
I truly hope that you enjoy growing old with Scott as much as I did growing up with him. My love for you both runs deeper than any word could ever describe, and I am so proud and happy for you both on this beautiful, special day. Y'all showed love is true and that love is kind, and I will forever celebrate you both as your amazing love journey continues to grow after this beautiful day. So if everyone could please raise a toast to the new Mr. and Mrs. Rice.
So Scott, repeat after me. I, Scott, take Taylor
I, Scott, take Taylor
to be my wedded wife,
to be my wedded wife,
to have and to hold
to have and to hold
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better or worse,
for better or worse,
for richer or poor,
for richer or poor,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
as long as I live.
as long as I live.
So Taylor, I'm going to ask you to do the same. Repeat after me. I, Taylor, take Scott
I, Taylor, take Scott
to be my wedded husband,
to be my wedded husband,
to have and to hold
to have and to hold
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for better or for worse,
for richer or poor,
for richer or poor,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
as long as I live.
as long as I live.
I count my lucky stars every day for all my people in my life. My wonderful husband, Dan, who was also the ring bearer, if anyone caught that. Wasn't he cute? My 3 beautiful children, Scott, Josh, and Lindsay. My wonderful son-in-law, Carson. And now I get to add you, Taylor, to that list of the most important people in my life. You were already on that list, but now it's official. And by the way, you look absolutely stunning. Love your dress, and you're absolutely beautiful. I remember the first time that Scott mentioned you to me. We were sitting on the front porch at the house, and we were just talking casual. And I said, so how's things going? And he said, well, Mom, I'm kind of talking to someone. And I'm like, really? Who? And I knew that meant a lot. Such nonchalant words, but I knew it meant a lot. And so I said, tell me all about her. And his face lit up, and with a big smile, he just went on and on, telling me all about you. But I could tell he was a little nervous. And he said, Mom, I hope you like her. And it wasn't that he thought I wouldn't like you. You could just tell this was special. And he wanted it to work out, and he wanted all the stars to align.